Hey guys, hope you're well. So, Lloyd here from iGen Entrepreneur. Hope you're all well. Top tip number five. Top tip number five. So, here we are. Have a bit of fun with this one. Top tip number five is to pick up the phone and start dialing. If you haven't seen this film, I'd be very surprised. But really, the top tip for number five is this. You need to pick up the phone and start dialing. Really, yeah, we've got all the contact numbers, we've got everything like that. To make progress with wholesale and to make progress with this type of business, you're going to need to speak to people. Whether it's people in the shop, whether it's UPS driver, you're going to need to get out from behind your keyboard and use one of these. You need to pick up the phone and give these guys a ring. Now, I would say there's a real art to this. I could talk about this all day. There's certain things that you can pick up very quickly when you call someone and when you speak to someone, what type of person they are. Kind of very, very generically, most people fit into 4 different colors. I can share a bit more information about that if people are interested. Obviously, some people are more one color than the other. Most people are a mix of colors. Some people might be one color one day, another color another. There is an art to this. There's a science to it. So, top tip number 5 is pick up the phone and start dialing. None of these other tips work unless you do. And work that you need to do in this game is you need to pick up the phone and speak to people. Most people watching this will be running an online arbitrage business. It's a big part of our business. And the beauty of that is you can do it from anywhere in the world, from just behind a laptop and a keyboard. All you need is a Wi-Fi connection. If you're buying something in Argos, sending it into Amazon, you don't even need to touch it. You don't need to speak to anyone. With this, first of all, to open accounts, and second of all, to make the most of those accounts. It's all about speaking to people, building relationships. It sounds really cheesy, but it's fact. It's all about the relationship that you have with your suppliers, your distributors. So to do that, you can't do that from behind a keyboard. You do need to pick up the phone and speak to people and get out there. So top tip number 5. Pick up the phone, start dialing.